Hmm. Good day, guys. In today's video, we are going to cover some really important topics in Matlab. So, without any further delays, let's just jump right into it. You guys must probably have heard about Matlab in your college years. So I'll give you a brief introduction about what Matlab exactly is. So, what exactly is a Matlab? Matlab is a high-level language with many toolboxes. Um, The name MATLAB consists of two words, math and laboratory. So MAT stands for matrices and laboratory in the sense like we gotta work some important topics in matrices in MATLAB. It is one of the important software packages for numerical computation and output visualization. You could carry out various numerical problems in out, and you can also view your output in a standard format. It has got hundred of built-in functions that can be used for linear algebra, data analysis, signal processing, and many more. We can also plot 2D and 3D plots with many animations possible through Matlab. Similarly, as the name suggests, the basic building block of Matlab is matrices. So today we are going to cover about something important topics in matrices with the help of Matlab. As you can see in the screen, this is a MATLAB program running in the background. It has got many toolbox. You can see a command window over here, and the various things are there. Now we have our MATLAB windows on. I'm typing clear. What it does is that it deletes out everything that was previously saved in the given software. So any format given before this command gets formatted out. We're gonna deal with multiplication and addition. So let's just begin. We're defining a matrix A that is a 2 by 3 dimension. So we describe A as okay. It defines our matrix A as 2 by 3 matrix. You guys should have known that the semicolon separates the two rows. So the 1, 2, 3 is written as 1, 2, 3 over here, a single and 4, 5, 6, the next row in the given matrix A. Okay, now we can define another matrix B. It is B equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say this. Okay, our B is also defined over here. Now we're gonna do some things in let's simple basic things, matrix multiplication, addition. Like we can do A plus B. You can see with some of this error, like if you can't properly give the command, like if you mention small b in places capital B, like the MATLAB shows your function is undefined or the variable is not given. So be really careful with that, and what it does is that in turn changes your value, like it changes it. Correction mistake over here, you can see over here it changes my small b into capital B. Then A plus B equals to this. Okay. 1 plus 2 3. Yeah, let's actually get it. The same rule applies for subtraction as well. Okay, we can do A minus B minus B. Okay. Minus B. Okay, let's have the right answer. We could also do some complexes, like we can do transpose of an inverse matrices in MATLAB. Let's just see if I want to do something like B transpose my B. Okay, transpose my B. Yeah, you could see that it actually transpose my matrix B in this given format. And now I just want to clear out. Okay, just clear out this thing. The funny thing is that you can actually find out what exactly the size of the matrix was. Let's just see the case over here. We're going to find out what exactly is the size of B. Instead of counting all those rows and columns, we can just put in a command as size B in MATLAB, and MATLAB does the work for you. Now we're gonna see something. Is a matrix multiplication of 2 by 3 uh, dimension matrix is possible. Let's just see that A star B. Okay, you could see that the given 2 into 3 and 2 by 3 matrix is impossible, and the same thing is showing by Matlab. So we talked about transpose previously, so we could do like this: B transpose, okay, B transpose. Okay, we got our transpose matrix. Then we do our matrix multiplication, and then we see that if that is possible or not. Okay, now you can see that 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 matrix multiplication is possible. What if we just wanted to divide the given two matrices or multiply the given two matrices, like 1 into 2 equals to 2, 5 into 4? We can also do that in Matlab. We can type in as A dot star B. Okay, you can see that 1 into 2, 5 into 4, 20, and the same thing is for dividing A dot divide by B. Yeah. That's our result for there. What if we wanted to make an identity matrix? We could do so by like I to the power 11. Let's say we want our identity matrix. Then for that, what would we do? Okay, let's see what was the previous matrix. We want an identity matrix of an order 5, so we just type identity 5. The Matlab gives our identity matrix 1 0 1 0 1 0 and all. Whereas if we wanted a 0 matrix, we could also type a 0 matrix of the order 5, and Matlab does that also for you. What if we wanted a square matrix? We can also type zeros and make it here order of 5, 2. Okay, we got a square matrix, and that's the same case for ones. If we wanted to ones 5, 2, it gives the matrix order of that as well. Let's just say we want our inverse matrix. What was A before? A was our 2 by 2 matrix. We could get an inverse of A by typing in this command P inverse A. Oh, sorry. P inverse A. Okay. So how could you see that this is our given inverse matrix of A? We could verify this by multiplying A. Okay, A multiplied by its inverse, A inverse gives us A into P inverse A. Yeah, you can see this is our identity matrix, and the rules suggest that something multiplied by its inverse gives our identity matrix. So let's just clear this window. So our matrix is this. What I just wanted to show you that what if we wanted to adjust a +1 to every element of matrices A? Then we would do so by typing A plus 1. You see 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And the same thing goes for subtraction as well. A minus 1 gives us our result. 1 minus 1 equals to 0, 4 minus 1 equals to 3, and the same thing is for multiplication as well. If you want to multiply A by 2, then our result is 1 into 2 equals to 2, 4 into 2 equals to 8, and the same thing is for division. Okay. So this much for today's guys. Hope you like my way of explaining things, and keep liking my upcoming tutorials. Stay healthy, stay happy. God bless you.
I will be assessing my report. I got some major issue over here. Like I can't open my Matlab file right at the moment, and I just knew what were the questions about. So I am trying this online coding around something like this. And what do I have? We just have to express this command over this thing in the given Matlab file. So I wrote CLC, that semicolon separates out, as I have uploaded in this previous video section, and it explains everything about this thing, how it is done. And you can see this if it is executed, and we are explaining this in a given format. Whereas while row reducing something, it's quite easy. That's just what you need is a single command over here. And just you could type something like rref a and okay, if you hit execute, the thing is that the Matlab does the thing for you, and this the thing that you see here is the row reduce form of that. Okay. And whereas regarding the third question, the rank of the matrix is the number of the non-zero entries in the given row. So here are how many non-zero entries? 1 and 2. So these are our two non-zero entries. So our rank of the matrix will be 2, and that exactly matches with the two pivots of the given matrix that is identified from this coding round. Hope it makes clear to you. Thank you guys.